Welcome to the latest construction update for Tydal Woody Point. We have been super busy on site, and I'm standing here on the formwork of level 2, and we are just about to do the last pour for the transfer slab on ground floor. The ground floor transfer slab behind me is made up of 2,000 cubic meters of concrete, around 180 tons of steel, and requires 275 movements of concrete trucks to complete. As the slab structure of one level is completed, formwork of the subsequent level already commences. This sequence will be maintained all the way up the building. The slab structure is made up of several layers of steel, contains the post-tensioning cables, and the relevant services are integrated as well. The cables terminate at the edge of each slab, and after the concrete is poured, a hydraulic tensioning machine tightens these cables to enable a post-tension concrete slab. We are now in the basement car park. The back propping on B2 is being removed. This is still fully in place on B1 because of the work still being completed for the transfer slab above. The first element of our luscious recreational area has now been completed, namely the pool shell. Once complete, this area will be tiled and landscaped, and outdoor furniture will be put in place for residents to enjoy this recreational area. Even from the ground floor, Tydal offers amazing views, and we can't wait for you to experience these. We are very pleased with the progress on site and look forward to sharing further updates with you next quarter.